Hi, my name's Abby. My granddad and I made this video to answer some of the questions we had about the Landroid lawnmower. So our first question was how we get it to the gate. So that was pretty simple. We have a 3.5-foot gate, so we buried the wire about 14 inches from each side, and when the Landroid is working, we prop the gate open. When I first ran the Landroid, it got stuck on one side of the gate, so I had to move the wire out another inch. Now it works just fine. My granddad's house is a typical American house. There's a sidewalk and a patch of grass with a curb on the other side. To get the Landroid to this piece of grass, though, we had to put a wire in the grooves of the sidewalk with a stake on each end to hold it tight, but make sure you clean out the grooves. So then we bought some slab from a local Lowe's store, and we caulked over the top of the wire. This worked great. Then we did the same for the exit on the next groove down. If we were going to do this again, we would put the exit wire at the groove furthest away so that the mower could go back and forth across the sidewalk and get all the way up to the end of the grass. The next problem we had was about the phone pole. So the Landroid pretty much takes care of this on its own. We have found the Landroid in the street upside down twice, but we moved the wire away from the curb a little bit, and that seemed to take care of the problem. The next question was how to get the Landroid across the driveway. That turned out to be pretty easy. Then my grandpa took a hose and blasted out the dirt and placed the wire in the groove that was already in the driveway. I used a wooden shim to wedge the wire between the wooden spacer and the cement. Now, my grandpa just needs to make sure he pulls up the cars past the groove in the driveway. Landroid will get stuck under the cars if you park them straddling the groove. Grandpa has also had Landroid get stuck on a tire where a car was over on the grass too far. The next question is how to set up the mowing zones. Landroid allows up to 4 zones. At first, my grandpa was going to set up 4 zones. They would include the front yard, backyard, and the 2 sidewalk grass areas on the right and left front. This didn't work. A zone cannot be less than 10% of the mowing area, so it did not work to have the sidewalk grass areas as separate areas. They were only 1% of the yard, so I went with 2 areas, front and backyard. So this was our Landroid video. We had some questions and we answered them for you, so hopefully this gave you some help with installing your Landroid, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and share it so all of your friends can see it, and bye!